Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican brown stew pork. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So here we have our pork shoulder. Now I'm gonna just add some oil to that. We want the season to stick, and I'm just gonna rub that oil all over our pork shoulder. It's actually a very fatty meat. Now I'm going in with my season. Here I have paprika, here I have onion powder, garlic powder, and thyme. And I'm just pouring that all over. And in here we have Cajun season and Maggi meat season. And this is a lot of season because I love when my pork is well seasoned. And I prefer these seasons, guys, because they don't contain a lot of salt. And that's why I prefer to use Cajun and the Maggi season. First, I'm going in with some oil. We're just gonna allow this to heat. I'm adding the pork, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm not sure what's going on with my footage, but I did went ahead and I add brown into my pork shoulders. Yeah, I'm just gonna sear this for about 5 minutes or so on each side until it is golden or until it reaches the desired color that I'm looking for, because we will be stewing it. Yeah, and here you have it, the perfect sear that we are looking for. Now guys, in that same pot, I'm going ahead, I'm gonna be adding a mixture of water, ketchup, and browning, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 25 minutes on medium heat until the pork are tender. So guys, after 20 minutes, I'm gonna be adding my vegetables, which include carrot, pepper, onion, and ginger. I'm also going to be adding some sprigs of thyme. Now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. And this is it, guys. I'm just adding some ketchup. And we're going to finish this for an additional 10 minutes. And yeah, we're actually done. And I'm going to be serving this with, my Jamaican rice and peas and tossed salad on the side. And here you have it, guys, our Jamaican brown stew pork. It's finally finished, guys. I went ahead and I served this with some rice and peas and tossed salad, and it was amazing. Just so good. Amazing. This was super easy, guys. Just a very simple recipe. Yeah, I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you so much for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.